Aave value equivalent to $69.0100 a coin. The present range, $56.9800, $76.8000. The earlier day close, $57.0900. The change was plus 11.9200. Plus 20.88%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Aave amazingly. Aave value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Aave cost expectation for June 2023, which is genuinely huge. Initially cost at $63.9. Most extreme cost $78.0. Least cost $47.6 in a kind of enormous manner. The especially normal for the month $65.6. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $72.9. Change for June 14.1%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for July 2023. To start with cost at $72.9. Greatest cost $85.8. Genuinely least cost $55.1. The normal for the month $73.5. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $80.2. Change for July 10.0%. Aave cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at $80.2. Most extreme cost $80.2. Least cost $67.8. The normal for the month $75.3 in a significant manner. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $72.9. Change for August 9.1%, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Aave to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. Before all else cost at $72.9. Greatest cost $73.8. Least cost $64.2. The normal for the month $70.0. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $69.0. Change for September 5.3% in a huge manner. Aave cost expectation for October 2023 in a significant manner. In the first place cost at $69.0. Greatest cost $70.8. Least cost $61.6 in an unpretentious way. The in every way that really matters, normal for the month $66.9. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $66.2. Change for October 4.1%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $66.2. Greatest cost $66.2. Least cost $57.3. The normal for the month $62.8. Aave cost conjecture toward the month's end $61.6. Change for November 6.9% in an unpretentious manner. Aave cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at $61.6. Greatest cost $76.5. Genuinely least cost $61.6 in opposition to prevalent thinking. The normal for the month $67.8. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $71.5. Change for December 16.1%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for January 2024, which is genuinely critical. At the outset cost at $71.5. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Most extreme cost $71.5. Least cost $55.9, which is genuinely critical. The truly normal for the month $64.8, which in every practical sense is very huge. Aave cost figure toward the month's end $60.1. Change for January 15.9%. Aave cost expectation for February 2024, which is very huge. First and foremost cost at $60.1. Greatest cost $60.1. Least cost $47.0. The truly normal for the month $54.4, which is genuinely critical. Aave cost estimate toward the month's end $50.5. Change for February 16.0%. Aave to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Really in spite of mainstream thinking. First and foremost cost at $50.5 amazingly. Greatest cost $60.8. Least cost $50.5 amazingly. The normal for the month $54.7. Aave cost gauge toward the month's end $56.8. Change for spring 12.5%. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Aave cost expectation for April 2024, in an essentially enormous manner. Initially cost at $56.8. Or so they thought. Most extreme cost $56.8. Least cost $46.4. The normal for the month $52.5. Of cost gauge toward the month's end $49.9. Change for April 12.1%. Of to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with cost at $49.9, which is very critical. Greatest cost $49.9. Least cost $40.3. The sort of normal for the month $45.9. Of cost estimate toward the month's end $43.3. Change for May 13.2%, in a kind of enormous manner. Of cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $43.3. Most extreme cost $53.7. Least cost $43.3. The kind of normal for the month $47.6. Or so they essentially thought. Of cost figure toward the month's end $50.2. Change for June 15.9%. Of to United States dollars expectations for July 2025, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. In the first place cost at $28.9. Greatest cost $28.9. Extremely least cost $22.6. The normal for the month $26.2. Of cost conjecture toward the month's end $24.3. Change for July 15.9% in an exceptionally significant manner. United States dollars to OFF conversion scale, genuinely equivalent to 0.0145 OFs per $1. Today's reach, 0.0130 0.0176. The past day's nearby, 0.0175. Change for now 0.00030, 17.14%. Dollar to OFF conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 United States dollars to OFF expectations for June 2023. Before all else cost at 0.016 OFs in an exceptionally significant manner. Most extreme cost 0.021, least 0.013. Which is genuinely huge. The extremely normal for the month 0.016. The United States dollars to OFF conjecture toward the month's end 0.014. Change for June 12.5% in a significant manner. Dollar to OFF conjecture for July 2023. In the first place cost at 0.014 OFs in a significant manner. Most extreme cost 0.018. Least 0.012. The for the most part normal for the month 0.014. The United States dollars to OFF figure toward the month's end 0.012. Change for July 14.3%. United States dollars to OFF expectations for August 2023. Before all else cost at 0.012 OFs in and in every practical sense, large way. Greatest cost 0.015, truly least 0.012 in an unpretentious manner. The normal for the month 0.013. The United States dollars to OFF estimate toward the month's end 0.